Hello everyone, welcome back to BL Touch channel. Today I have very important exercise for you all. It is using the sum function. Functions provide an easy way to perform mathematical work on a range of cells quickly and conveniently. This section shows you how to use some of the basic function in Excel. Usually like sum, count, count blank, erase, min, and max. Now, using the sum function, adding a range of cells is one of the most common calculations performed on worksheet data. The sum function totals all of the cells in a range easily and accurately. AutoSum makes that task even easier by calculating, that's by default, the total from the adjacent cell up to the first non-numeric cell using the sum function in its formula. Sum is usually the first function most people learn how to use in Excel. In fact, you already saw it in action in previous section called using basic formula. Okay, get ready. Please launch your Excel. If you're not already running, please open the file budget cell references from previous exercise. Now it's already open. Here is spend category, rent, renter, insurance, furnishing, miscellaneous, non-utility, subtotal, and the expense from Jan to December. Remember that all formula must start with an equal sign. A function is simply a predefined formula, so you must use the equal sign. In cell B7, your type equal open sum open parenthesis and click the range B3 to B6. B3 to B6. You close parenthesis and then press enter. You get the subtotal of non-utility use 2140. Click in cell C7. Click the formula tab and then click the top half of AutoSum. The sum function appears with argument filled out. but only C6 is included. To correct the range, press Enter. The result 1 to 40. If the sum of family non-utility expand, you can copy C7 to D7 7. Copy D7 to 7. Pass. And press Enter. Copy cell N6 to N7. Enter. The total non-utility expense is displayed. You press Save the workbook to your Excel lesson folder. The alternative to the sum function is to create an additional formula using cell references for every cell value to be added, such as the following. Say B7 plus C7 plus D7 plus E7 plus F7 plus 7 plus G7 plus A7 plus I7 plus J7 plus, sorry, I did mistake, plus J7 plus K7 plus L7 plus M7. The easy way to achieve the same result is to use the sum function or auto sum. Auto sum is a built-in feature of Excel that recognizes adjacent cells in rows and columns as the logical selection to perform the auto sum function. Thank you for today. In next exercise, I will show you other function count and count blank function. And thank you for today. Goodbye, everyone.